Hello everyone, what is up and welcome back to the channel iRumors. Well, we are back after a long time. Just took a short break and today we are back. And what are we going to be doing today? We are going to be unboxing the iPhone 16 Pro. You already know from the box that it's the orange color that we're going to be unboxing today. But what is the storage? Well, we're going to be taking a look in a bit. Usually I'll always update whatever pre-order and the whole entire process before I actually unbox this phone, but this unboxing just came out of the blue. Yep, I know that, and of course I'm going to be explaining to you at the end of this video. But before that, let's quickly unbox this phone, take a look at it, and let me just discuss about our first impressions before I get to the part on how I got this phone in my hand. So without further ado, let's get started and unbox this iPhone 17 Pro in orange. Of course, this is the iPhone 17 Pro and it's the orange color. So this is the iPhone 17 Pro Cosmic Orange in 512GB variant. So we talk about everything else, but before that, let's get into unboxing this device. I'm just sick and tired of covering the serial number, so I just thought just put a tape here. So yeah, it's just the standard iPhone unboxing. There isn't really much. Let me just tear it open. I don't want to make a mess because nowadays these tapes are easy to tear apart. Just like that, pretty much half of the value of the phone is gone with just these two tips removed. And now let's flip the phone around and let's remove it. First time getting iPhone 17 Pro on hand, and let me tell you, I have not taken a look at it in any other Apple store, so this is my first time taking a look. So let's open it up together. Okay, not the smooth first unboxing. So as usual, let's put these wrappers aside. This is the normal box, and you have a huge cutout for the camera here. There's a small indent for the back plate as well. So let's remove the phone out of the box and let's put it aside. What do we have here? With the iPhone 17 Pro, we don't even have the usual paperwork that we have. Even that has been removed. And now it's just the SIM card tray. Now yeah, since I'm in Singapore, we still do have physical SIM cards. So I just have the SIM card tray followed by a braided USB-C cable. And that's actually about it. There is no more paperwork. Gone is the era with Apple stickers in box and these documentations. We always love having these documentations. Even though we don't take a look, we still do love having it. But hey, that is gone. So let's quickly snap out. Okay, so here is the phone. Let's unwrap it. That is such a satisfying peel. Now let's turn it on. Okay, there we go. That is the iOS 26 boot up screen. So now, since we already have the phone in hand, let's quickly go through the setup process and get back into the video. Okay, so now that we have already successfully logged in onto the iPhone 17 Pro, initial impressions, really love holding on to the slightly curved aluminum edges, even though this phone feels strikingly similar to holding the iPhone 8 that I have over here. Both the phones feel very similar, just that this has a slight bit of thickness. As you can see, this iPhone 12, I really love these new phones because of this boxy design, because the boxy designs are back. And now from the boxy designs, we are slowly moving back to the older designs, which is more and more curved and rounded edges, which I am definitely not a fan of. You all know how much I love having square-edged phones, square phones like this iPhone 4S here. I really love those kind of phones, and these are the same type. But now this iPhone 17 Pro isn't really my cup of tea. Not much difference, but hey, this is just unboxing. We still have a lot more to take a look at. That's actually been it for the unboxing of the iPhone 17 Pro. Pretty simple unboxing, like in all our unboxing videos. We get to the device, unbox it, and that's it. Of course, we're going to be having my thoughts on this soon. Of course, I got to really use it for a while. There's a lot more things to do, and before that, I got to get a case and a screen protector for this phone before I can use it. So still haven't get my hands on this screen protector. As always, it's just something for me to say at the end of the video, and that's what we are at today. Usually I'll always be getting the base storage and I'll always be getting the Pro Max version. Why did I suddenly get the Pro and not the Pro Max? Only reason for that is stock availability. In the entire Singapore, this iPhone 17 Pro was such a hard deal to get. I had to pay an extra $20 above the actual market rate in order for me to get these phones in my hands right now. It was so difficult. I couldn't get it from last Friday. It was released back last Friday. Tried over the weekend. Totally unable to get the phone, so I had to pay extra $20 to get the 17 Pro in my hands. And we can just forget about talking about the 17 Pro Max. It's just unavailable. I just couldn't get my hands on the 17 Pro Max, so this time I just decided to get the iPhone 17 Pro in my hands. So this year shall be the Pro year and not the Pro Max year. So yeah, that's actually been it for this video. Will I be keeping this phone, or will I be not be using it, or will I be going back to my 15 Pro Max? Well, time just has to tell that. That's actually been it for this unboxing. Let me know what you guys think about the new iPhone 17 Pros. Of course, the phones just came out, all the unboxings and all the reviews are getting out. But hey, if you're going to be buying, I would say think twice, decide properly, and buy your phone. Of course, I don't usually recommend anything before my reviews, before using it. And of course, if you guys have already bought the iPhone 17, then I would love to know what is the series or what is the variant that you guys bought. Have you managed to get, or if you have not managed to get your hands on the device, then just do let me know how are you trying. Well, if you wanted to get that, I just hope you all get it, because in Singapore the demand is quite high. So yeah, that's actually been it for the video. Of course, the iPhone 17 videos are going to be coming out soon, so stay tuned, get subscribed, turn on notifications so you don't miss it again. So yeah, that's actually been it. That I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.